Did you know that green tea could help protect your hair against free radicals and promote blood flow to the scalp, therefore promoting faster hair growth and reduce shedding? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a green tea rinse that can be perfect for your natural hair. It contains rose petals and a blooming green tea flower. Combine 1/4 cup of dried rose petals with 1 blooming green tea flower into a teapot and add around 1 to 2 cups of hot water, so that way all of its nutrients can start absorbing into the tea. Let it sit for about 1 hour and then go ahead and strain the rose petals from the tea, and you'll be left with this beautiful bloomed green tea flower. Add your green tea hair rinse into a spray bottle for easier application. For all these ingredients, you can check out my Amazon store and the link is in my bio. So now you just want to spray the green tea rinse all throughout your hair and make sure to really focus it in on your scalp. Cover your hair, leave it on for 1 hour, and then rinse. And here's what my hair's looking like all rinsed.